Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through the updated process of clearing a group's messages on WhatsApp. Whether you're trying to declutter or just want a fresh start, it's a pretty straightforward process. Let's jump right in. First things first, open WhatsApp on your device. Then, head over to the specific group chat you're aiming to clear. This is where all the action begins. Once you're inside the group chat, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should spot 3 vertical dots. Go ahead and tap on those dots. This opens up a menu with several options. In the menu that appears, you might not immediately see Clear Chat. Instead, look for an option labeled More and tap it. This will reveal additional options, including the Clear Chat function we're after. Now that you've found the Clear Chat option, tap on it. WhatsApp will then ask if you want to delete media in the chat or not. This is your chance to decide whether you want to keep the photos, videos, and other files shared in the group, or get rid of them along with the messages. After choosing whether or not to delete media, you'll see a confirmation prompt. Simply tap Clear Chat to confirm your decision. Keep in mind that this action will delete the messages for you, but it won't affect the messages of other participants in the group. They'll still see the chat history on their end. And that's it. You've successfully cleared the messages in your WhatsApp group. It's a simple process that can help keep your chats tidy and free up some storage space on your device. Remember that while you can clear the chat for yourself, deleting messages for everyone involves a different process, and there's usually a time limit to it. Also, as a group admin, you have the power to delete inappropriate messages for all members, maintaining a more controlled environment. We hope this updated guide was helpful. Now you can confidently manage your WhatsApp group chats and keep them nice and clean. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks.